Good morning. This is an update on my plants. This morning, I'm not really happy with how things are progressing with the melons. As you can see, after I've transplanted them, they've started to look a bit poorly. Now, you can see here that, as I mentioned before, I had an issue transplanting them or planting them before because something kept eating them down. So you can see from the leaves that the leaves have already been attacked, and they are also drying up as if they're dying off. So I definitely need to figure this out and to figure out what is eating them and see if I can get something to I really want to grow it organic. So if you have any suggestions as to what I can put on them to deter if it's a slug or if it is some other insect that is eating off the melons, because nothing else has been affected. Everything else is growing fine and progressing. As you can see here with the onions, they have really grown and they're healthy. The scallions and the other plants which I trim back, they are also taking their time to get, and that is my time. As you can see, only one plant is looking healthy. The rest seems to have died off, and the baby peppers, they're coming. So if you have any suggestions, let me know how it is I can rescue my melons.